Hey everybody, I'm doing a quick screen capture here to let you know how I'm using Videoshop. So I'm going to go to Videoshop right now. I just shot the video, and there's Videoshop, and what I do is I import the video that I just shot. So you can go in and you see I got two there. I've got one that's a script, and then I've got the other, which is me. So I just click done. It imports it to Videoshop. Now I did a little preview here of me talking, so you're probably not going to hear that. But then the other clip is right up here. So you'll see here that it goes to the second clip. Now this is the actual clip I'm going to use. I was sitting out on the patio. I look like Stevie Wonder out here. And so I just did it. It was a one-take thing. I didn't have to cut anything. But if I would want to put anything in here, I could impose something. I would just go over here to the Pro over here and pose something. I could cut away to something. I made this really simple. If you have a couple of cuts, you would just lay them in like I did here. So you might have one cut of you saying the intro, the next cut of you doing the actual thing, and maybe an end. So I'm going to delete this one because I really have no need for it. So I'm going to delete that. Uh-oh. I want to get out here. I deleted the wrong thing. So I want to delete that. So now that leaves me delete, and so that leaves me with this. Then what I do is I just listen to it, which I will show you what it looks like in a minute. And I just look at it and say, okay, does it look good? Do I want to trim anything at the end? I probably want to trim at the end here. So I would click on trim. Where is it here? So I want to click on that and click trim. And then I want to come down to the end here, and I just want to pull back to where I stop talking. So about right there. Yeah. So then there's nothing on the front, although, yeah, there's nothing on the front to trim. So I just hit check mark, it trims it. I hit next, it compiles the video. Compiling. And now the video is done. So what I will do is I will save it to my camera roll, which takes a couple minutes. So I will speed this fast forward. Okay, so that's been sent to the camera roll. Now, let's suppose that I want to change the style a little bit. Let's suppose that I want to resize this and I want to start over. Let's say I want to go a 1-to-1. So that's a square. That could go on Instagram, could go on Facebook, and it could also go on LinkedIn. It works okay on LinkedIn. I would literally just take the same thing and just rework it, hit the check mark down on the lower right-hand side. I can make it 5x5 that way, 5x8. I can make it all sorts of things. Square or 16x9 is always my favorite. I don't like vertical. I think that's old. So anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. And now what I will do is go over and open up Video Slimmer, and I'll open up the photos. And down here at the very bottom, I will find the video that I just did right there. And you'll see it's 1920 by 180, so I'll click that, hit done, and then I'll hit slim now, and it takes just, for a minute video, it takes 15-20 seconds to do, and it's done now. Okay, and so what that's done is now it's gone down to 568 by 320. You can see up there in the upper corner. Then I will again well, it's already saved to the camera roll. Sorry about that, already saved. Then I'll just go into my LinkedIn and I'll post it up. And that's the scoop. That's how we do it. And that's as simple as I can make it. Bye.